Hi everybody, this is what I want to show you today. My name is Stephanie and I am in my kitchen and I'm getting ready to make a whole bunch of pies, but I'm going to make my own crust, and I got this thing to sift it with. So I just want to show you that you put the batteries in here. 2 AA batteries go in here. You just press that down and do that. Yep, press it down. 2 AA batteries are in here, okay? And I am going to be the first time I'm using it, so you'll be using it with me. Okay, and hold it. Okay, it also came with this measure equivalent thing here, and you would use this to cut pies, just to cut things with. Matter of fact, I may need it later on, but this is what that is. It comes, the two of them come together. So let me get some flour and I'll be right back. All right, for my recipe, I'm going to need 1 cup, 1 1/3 cup of flour. So first of all, here's my 1, and I'm going to double it. So we're going to do this one. Oh, nope. We're going to do it. We're going to put it in here. I'm going to stick it in here. That's 1. Hold on. 2. And 1/3 cup. 1/3 of a cup. 1/3 of a cup. It's a 1/2 cup. 1/3 of a cup. And 2/3. So let's do 1/3 and 2/3. And I need 1/2 teaspoon of salt times 2. So I'm going to put this in here. You can get yourself ready to do this. And you can come back later and your flour and stuff is already sifted. But let's try this. Let's try what this is doing here. So we are going to press the button and see how it comes out. It's kind of cool. I don't have to shake it. I will usually use a sifter, because I think a sifter is just it's easier to do. But if you got a wrist problem, which I do, this is kind of cool. This way it's all done. I like this. I like it actually. Yeah, this is kind of cool. It's done in no time. So this is like just one batch, which is cool fit with me. And I'm going to do another one, but off camera. We'll do another one so I can prepare for my pies. But I wanted to show you this thing. So if you're going to be baking and you need to be sifting and you don't have bad wrists like I do, you might want to invest in one of these.